Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Susruta Samhita Sutrasthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 24. Vyadi Samudeshya Adhyaya. Classification of diseases according to their specific nature. Part 1. अधादो व्याधिसमुद्देशीयम् अध्यायं व्याख्यास्यामः यथोवाच भगवान् धन्वन्तरिः. Now we shall discourse on the chapter which deals with the classification of diseases according to their specific nature. Vyadi Samuddeshya Adhyaya. द्विविधास्तु व्याधयः शस्त्रसाध्याः स्नेहादिक्रियासाध्याश्च. Diseases may be grouped under two broad divisions such as surgical shastrasadhya and medical snehadi kriya sadhya, that is, those that yield to administration of purgative, emetics, oil, diaphoretics, etc. तत्र शस्त्रसाध्येषु स्नेहादिक्रिया न प्रतिषिध्यते. स्नेहादिक्रियासाध्येषु शस्त्रकर्मा न क्रियते. The use or administration of medicated oil and unguents, etc., is not prohibited in a surgical or shastra sadhya, while a case which is exclusively medicinal or sneha sadhya in its character does not admit of the adoption of any surgical remedy, that is shastra kriya. Only a general outline of the nature and symptom of all diseases will be found to have been briefly laid down in the present work. That is, in Shastrasadhya diseases, Snehadi Kriya is not prohibited. But in Snehadi Kriya Sadhyeshu, we should not do any surgical remedy, Shastra Kriya. अस्मिन् पुनः शास्त्रे सर्वतन्त्रसामान्यात् सर्वेषां व्याधीनां यदा स्थूलम् अवरोधः क्रियते प्राक् अभिहितं तद्दुःखसंयोगा व्याधयः इति. It has been stated before that anything that afflicts either body, sharira, or living personality, self, or both, is called as disease. तच्च दुःखं त्रिविधम् आध्यात्मिकम् आदिभौतिकम् आदिदैविकम् इति. This pain or affliction may be either physical in its character, adhyatmika, or due to any disturbance in the physical environment of a man, adi bhautika, or to the acts of God, adi daivika. Tattu saptavide vyadhavuva nipadati. This threefold pain may be ultimately transformed into any of 7 kinds of disease. ते पुनः सप्तविध व्याधयः तद्यदा आदिफलप्रवृत्ता जन्मफलप्रवृत्ता दोषफलप्रवृत्ता सङ्घातफलप्रवृत्ता कालफलप्रवृत्ता दैवफलप्रवृत्ता स्वभावफलप्रवृत्ता इति. So these 7 types are आदिफलप्रवृत्ता जन्मफलप्रवृत्ता दोषफलप्रवृत्ता सङ्घातफलप्रवृत्ता कालफल pravarta, dhaiva bhala pravarta, and swabhava bhala pravarta. First one, adi bhala pravarta. Tatra adi bhala pravartaye shukra shonida doshanvayaha kushta arsha prabhadayaha. The disease term adi bhala pravarta is ascribed to any inherent defect in semen or ovum of one's parent, which form one of the original and primary factor of being and include leprosy, kushta, hemorrhoids, arshas, phthisis, etc. Te abhidvivida, madracha, pitrajascha. This type may be divided into 2 subdivisions according as the disease is generated by the deranged maternal factor, madracha, or paternal, pitraja, at time of incubation. 2. Janma bala pravarta. Janma bala pravartaye माधुर अपचारात् पंगुच अत्यंत बधिर मूग मिन्मिन वामन प्रभृतयो जायन्ते. The congenital or Janmapala Pravarta type usually follow such cases as an improper conduct on the part of the mother during period of gestation, Madhura Bajara. Embrace such defect or maladies such as Panguja, congenital, blindness, Anda, deafness, Badira, dumbness, Muga, nasal voice, Minmina, and such monstrous aberration of nature as congenital cretinism and birth of dwarf, Vamana, and pygmies. ते अपि द्विविधाः रसकृता दौहृद अपचारकृताश्च. This type in turn admits of two subdivisions according as disease is due to action of deranged lymph child rasakrita or to an ungratified desire of mother during gestation or to her gratification of any improper longing or conduct during pregnancy dauhridya. Third, doshabala pravarta. दोषबल प्रवृत्ताये आदंग समुत्पन्न मिथ्या आहार आचार कृताश्च. The doshabala pravarta type idiopathic is due to action of any of the fundamental bodily humor deranged by adanga samutpanna resulting from the dynamical energy of mind such as rajan tamas etc. or mithya ahara achara kritascha, an improper diet. ते अपि द्विविधा आमाशय samudha pakvashya samudhascha. This type may be classified under two subheads according as the disease is found to have its origin in amashya stomach amashya samudha or in pakvashya intestine pakvashya samudhascha. Punascha dvivida sharira manasascha. Each of this again may be further divided into two main subdivisions such as physical sharira and mental manasa. The Ede Adhyatmikaha. The three preceding kinds of disease include within their category disorder which are called mental or psychic Adhyatmika. 4. Sanghada Bala Pravarta. Sanghada Bala Pravartaye Agandavo Durbalasya Balavat Vigraha. The traumatic type of Sanghada Bala Pravarta include diseases that are caused by an external blow, Agandavo, or are due to wrestling with an antagonistic of superior strength, Durbalasya Balavat Nigraha. Te abhidvivida, Shastrakrita, Vyalakritascha. They may be subdivided into minor division according as the disease is due to an external wound or due to shastrakrita, or to the bite from any fierce beast or poisonous reptile, etc. Vyala kritascha. Ede adi baudikaha. These types belong to the adi baudika type, that is brought about by physical causes. Kalabhala pravarta. Kalabhala pravartaye Shida Ushna Vada Varsha Adaba Prabhriti Nimittaha. The periodical type Kalabhala pravarta include diseases that are brought about by variation of atmospheric heat or humidity with a change of season. Shida Ushna Vada Varsha Adaba Prabhriti Nimittaha. Te abhidvividaha Vyabana Rudukrada Avyabana Rudukradaschcha. They are grouped under two different subheads. Vyabana Rudukrada means which occur in Vyabana Rudu or season. Avyabana Rudukrada which occurs in Avyabana Rudu or season. Devabhala Pravarta. Devabhala Pravartaye Devadrohat Abhishabdaga Adharvanakrita Ubasargajascha. The providential Devabhala Pravarta type includes diseases that are the embodiments of Devadroha, divine wrath, Abhishabdaga, curses, or are brought about through the mystic potency of sharpened spell, as described in Adharva Veda, Adharvanakrita, or due to Upasarga Yoga, Upasargaja. Te abhidvividaha Vidyut Shenikrita Pishajadikrtascha. This type may be divided into two minor divisions according as the disease is due to such act of God as when a man is struck by lightning, Vidyut Shanikrita, etc., or to the malignant influence of demon and monster, Pishajadi Kritascha. Punascha Dvividaha, Samsargaja, Agasmikascha. These may be further grouped under two main subheads, according as the disease assume a contagious character, epidemic, samsargaja, or is purely accidental and restrict itself to isolated case, sporadic, agasmikascha. Swabhava bhala pravarta. Swabhava bhala pravartaye Kshut pibasa jara mrityu nidra prabhadayaha. The natural or spontaneous Swabhava bhala pravarta type include such natural organic phenomena such as Kshut hunger, pibasa thirst, jara old age, mrityu death, nidra sleep, etc. Te abhi dvividaha, kalaja akalajascha. These phenomena are either kalaja timely or akalaja untimely. Tatra parirexana kridaha kalaja. They are called kalaja when they occur at the proper time in person who strictly observe the rule of health. Aparirexana krida akalaja. Akalaja when they appear at the improper time as the effect of unhealthy living, premature or morbid. Ede Adi Devikaha. These diseases belong to providential or Adi Devika type. Atra Sarva Vyadi Avarodaha. Thus we have classified diseases into their several types. In brief, Dukkam Trivida. Adhyatmika, Adi Bhaudika, Adi Devika. Adhyatmika is classified into three. Adi Bala Pravarta, Janma Bala Pravarta, Dosha Bala Pravarta. Adibala Pravarta again classified into two. Madraja, Pidraja. Janma Bala Pravarta divided into two. Rasagrada, Daukrada, Abhajara Krida. Dosha Bala Pravarta divided into two. Amashya Samudda, Pakwashya Samudda. Each again divided into Sharira Manasa. Second is Adi Baudika. It includes Sangada Bala Pravarta, which is divided into Shastra Krida, Vyala Krida. Third is Adi Daivika, divided into three: Kala Bala Pravarta, Daiva Bala Pravarta, Swabhava Bala Pravarta. Kala Bala Pravarta divided into two: Vyabanna Rudukrida, Avyabanna Rudukrida. Daiva Bala Pravarta classified into two: Vidyut Dashani Krida, Pishajadi Krida. Swabhava Bala Pravarta divided into two: Kalaja, Akalaja. Adibala Pravarta due to Shukra Shonida Doshanvayaha Kushtarsha Prabhadayaha. Janma Bala Pravarta Madhurabhajarat Panguja Atyanta Badira Munga Minmina Vamana Prabhadayo Jayande. Dosha Bala Pravarta Adanga Samutpanna Midya Ahara Ajara Kritascha Sankada Bala Pravarta Agandavo Durbalasya Balavat Vigraha. Kalabala Pravarta Shida Ushna Vada Varsha Adhava Prabhrati Nimittaha Deva Bala Pravarta Deva Droha Abhishaptaga Adharvana Krida Upasarga Jascha Swabhava Bala Pravarta Kshut Pibhasa Jara Mrityu Nidra Prabhadayaha. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart e-classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. You can post all your doubts in the comment section. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.